Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front eRide air strut for Land Rover Range Rover Sport L494 with continuous variable damping. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Disconnect the electrical connection from the top of the strut by pressing in on the two tabs and pulling upwards. Next, loosen and remove the airline from the top of the strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Loosen and remove the sensor wire and brake line bracket. Also loosen and remove the lower strut mounting bolt. Then remove the sensor wire bracket and separate the sway bar end link from the lower strut clevis. Now locate and remove the upper control arm ball joint nut and separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. Next, loosen and remove the top mounting nuts and loosen the strut clevis. Now pull the spindle assembly outward to remove the strut. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the new strut into the vehicle and install the lower strut mounting bolt. Remember, tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reinstall the upper control arm to the spindle assembly and retighten the strut clevis. The next step is to reinstall the sensor wire bracket and reattach the end link to the lower strut clevis. Now reinstall the sensor wire and brake line bracket. Install the supplied top strut mounting bolts. Next, install the airline into the airline fitting and remove and dispose of the shipping pin. Insert the airline into the fitting and press until it's firmly seated. With the airline inserted, pull the airline outward to lock and ensure a secure connection. Reinstall the electrical connection, ensuring the plug is oriented appropriately to the electrical terminals within the strut. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and the installation is complete. Thank you for choosing Arnott's high-quality suspension parts and following our guide on installing the Arnott new front eRide air strut for Land Rover Range Rover Sport L494. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.